Hi, Tom. Good morning.
Hi, Anna. Good morning to you, too. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good. I like this coffee shop. It is quiet.
Yes, it is nice. The coffee smells good. Do you want coffee or tea?
I want coffee. Black coffee, please. No sugar. What about you?
I want tea. Green tea with lemon. I like it hot.
Okay. I will buy. You sit here.
Thank you, Tom. You are very kind.
Here is your green tea.
Thank you. It looks good. Let us start our study.
Yes. Today we learn easy words. First word, hello.
Hello? I know this word. It means xin chào.
Good. Next word, thank you.
Thank you. I say this when I get help.
Perfect. Now say, you are welcome.
You are welcome. I say this after thank you.
Yes, you learn fast.
I try. English is new for me. I come from Vietnam.
I know. I come from the United States. I live here 1 year.
1 year? Your Vietnamese is good.
Thank you. I study every day. I use an app.
What app?
Duolingo. It is free. You can try.
Okay, I will download it tonight.
Good idea. Now let us talk about family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. He is 10 years old. His name is Ming.
10. He is young. What does he like?
He likes football. He plays every afternoon.
Nice. I have one sister. She is 15. Her name is Emma.
15? She is a teenager. Does she like school?
Yes, she likes math and art. She draws very well.
I like art too. I draw flowers and birds.
Really? Show me one day.
Okay, I have a small notebook. I draw in it.
Great. Now let us learn colors. Say red.
Red, like an apple.
Good. Say blue.
Blue, like the sky today.
Yes. Say yellow.
Yellow, like a banana.
Perfect. You remember fast.
Thank you. I repeat many times. Now I ask you, what color is your bag?
My bag is black. What color is your phone?
My phone is white.
Nice. White is clean.
Tom, what time is it?
It is 10 o'clock. Do you have class soon?
Yes, at 11. We have 1 hour.
Okay. Let us learn numbers. Say 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 4, 5.
5.
Good. Now count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Excellent. You are ready for more.
I feel happy. English is fun with you.
I feel happy too. You help me with Vietnamese words.
Perfect. You have good pronunciation.
Thank you. Let us order cake. I am hungry.
Me too. I want chocolate cake.
I want lemon cake. I will buy again.
No, this time I pay.
Okay. Thank you.
Here is your lemon cake.
Thank you. It looks yummy.
Yes, let us eat and talk more.
What do you do after class?
I go home. I cook dinner with my mom.
What do you cook?
Today, we cook pho. It is soup with beef and noodles.
I love pho. Can I try one day?
Yes, come to my house on Saturday.
Really? I will come. What time?
6 o'clock. Bring your sister if she wants.
I will ask her. Thank you, Anna.
You are welcome. Now let us learn food words. Say rice.
Rice.
Say noodles.
Noodles.
Say chicken.
Chicken.
Good. You will like pho.
I am excited. What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. It is sweet.
I like mango too. In America, I eat it in summer.
Here, we have mango all year.
Lucky.
Time is fast. It is 10:30.
Yes. Let us finish with 5 new words.
Okay, teach me.
Word 1, house.
House. My home.
Word 2, school.
School. We study here.
Word 3, friend.
Friend. You are my friend.
Word 4, book.
Book. I read books.
Word 5, happy.
Happy. I am happy now.
Great job, Anna. You know many words.
Thank you, Tom. You are a good teacher.
Hi, Anna. You are early today.
Hi, Tom. Yes, I come at 9:30. I want more time.
Good. I bring my English book. Look.
Nice book. Many pictures. I like pictures.
Yes, pictures help us remember. Let us open page 10.
Okay, page 10. I see a family.
Yes, this is a family. Say mother.
Mother.
Say father.
Father.
Say son.
Son.
Say daughter.
Daughter.
Easy. Now I ask, who is in your family photo?
Look, this is my mother, my father, my sister Emma, and me.
Your mother is beautiful. She has long hair.
Yes, she likes to read. She reads every night.
My mother likes to cook. She cooks very well. Let us learn verbs. First verb, eat.
Eat. I eat breakfast at 7.
Good. Verb 2, drink.
Drink. I drink water now.
Verb 3, read.
Read. I read a story last night.
Verb 4, write.
Write. I write in my diary.
Verb 5, speak.
Speak. We speak English now. I like verbs. They are actions.
Yes. Now make a sentence. Use eat.
I eat rice every day.
Good. My turn. I eat pizza on Friday.
Pizza. I love pizza. Cheese pizza.
Me too. Next Friday, we eat pizza together?
Yes, after class.
Great. Now let us talk about the weather.
Today is sunny. No clouds.
Yes, I like sunny days. I ride my bike.
I walk to school. It is 15 minutes.
15 minutes? Not far.
Tom, do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max. He is brown.
Cute. I want a photo.
Okay, look at my phone. Here is Max.
Oh, he is big. Does he run fast?
Very fast. He runs in the park.
I have a cat. Her name is Mimi. She is white.
White cat? I want to see.
I will show you on Saturday.
Saturday is faux day, I remember.
Yes, 6 o'clock. Do not forget.
I will not forget. I bring dessert. Ice cream?
Yes, vanilla ice cream. Let us learn questions. Ask me, where do you live?
Where do you live?
I live in District 3, near the market.
I ask again, what is your address?
123 Gwen Street. Easy to find.
Good. Now I answer. I live in District 1. My address is 45 Leloy Street.
We live close, 10 minutes by bike.
Yes, we can meet more. Let us play a game. I say a word, you say the opposite.
Okay, start.
Big,
Small.
hot,
Cold.
happy,
Sad.
fast,
Slow.
day.
Night.
Fun game. My turn. Tall,
Short.
old,
Young.
open.
Close.
You win. You know many words.
Thank you. I study 1 hour every night.
Good habit. I study in the morning.
Look at the time. It is 11. Class soon.
Yes, let us pay and go.
I pay today. You paid last time.
Okay, next time I pay.
Tom, thank you for today. I learn a lot.
Thank you, Anna. You are a good student.
See you on Saturday.
See you. 6 o'clock. Pho and ice cream.
Yes. Bye, Tom.
Bye, Anna. Have a good class.